In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Backbone controller on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up your Backbone controller to use with any Mac computer, and you will be able to do this as long as you meet two prerequisites. The first one, which is going to be the hardest one, is you need to have a subscription active. So this is extremely unfortunate, but this method of connecting your Backbone to the Mac only works if you have the Backbone Plus subscription active. As you can see here on this list of features available with Backbone Plus that you can find on the official website, they say that you are only able to use the Backbone on different screens such as PC, Macs, and iPads if you have the subscription active. It is unfortunate, and I personally believe that this is what most people aren't going to be able to acquire right away. So consider this, and if it is a worthy investment for you to make. But if you have the subscription active, you will be able to set it up by first going over to the mobile app settings, and in there choosing the option play on any screen. When you select play on any screen, you can choose which screen you want to primarily use the Backbone on. So you can choose between iPad, Google Chrome, PC, Android, and finally Mac. So just make sure that it is set to Mac, and you will get the instructions there. Now, all that you have to do for most of these platforms is to connect the lightning cable to the Backbone and into the device. As long as you have the lightning cable connected, it should get natively detected, and like I said, while also having the subscription active. So just make sure that you choose Mac from the play on any screen options and that you use a compatible cable. As soon as it gets detected on your Mac, you will be good to go to play any game using the Backbone as a standard controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Backbone controller on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.